Morning, everybody. Today we're at Bahia Honda State Park. It's one of the larger, more intimate parks in the Florida Keys. There's excellent snorkeling, fishing, exploring, and picnicking. I wonder if you can walk on that bridge, but part of it goes nowhere.
You see where it ends? That part.
It was maybe a small part of the bridge you can walk on.
Yeah. Isn't this beautiful?
That's amazing.
Look at the coconut palms. Do you see them in the distance?
Oh, they're very lush. We've arrived at Bahia Honda State Park. Oh, directly on the Atlantic Ocean. Look at those blue
Isn't it
waters.
beautiful?
Yeah. I better get my wallet ready because we're going to need some cash.
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
2 people?
Yeah,
$8.
There's a 10 right there.
I'm so excited about being here today.
This is my favorite place in the whole world. And I've been to Israel, Rome, Ireland, Iceland, Alaska. And I always say this is my favorite place. The top of your bridge is my favorite place in the whole
I happen to agree with you.
wide world.
Thank you.
Thank you. I haven't been here in a few years, so I'm happy.
So, the obvious question is, why is this your favorite place?
I don't know. It's just
Oh, wow, this is absolutely
no
gorgeous.
pets allowed on beach.
Oh, so you're right about leaving the dog
he
back
could
at the
have
hotel.
come,
Yeah.
but he would have been a pain in the butt.
Okay, so they got Calusa Beach, Loghead Beach, Sandsbury Beach. We're going to check them all out.
Okay, let's go to the bridge first. Climb the bridge, walk around.
That's that bridge we saw from the highway that was like
Yes,
ready,
I will
looked like it was
walk.
destroyed by a hurricane or something.
Where we caught the boat to nausea. Oh God.
So last time we were here, we went snorkeling and my wife got really bad seasick.
For the first
Barfed all over
time in my whole life that I got seasick.
Yes. You still barfed all over the place. Sorry, folks, if that's too much information, but we don't want to bore you. Oh, these are the restrooms. Are we at the end of the place now?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the bridge exits right there.
Okay, so we'll
So we just park our car someplace, yeah.
And I have drinks, so we.
Really? Someone say free drinks?
You know what? I'm gonna just. Well, we'll park. Well, when we go, we're gonna go swimming here.
Oh, yeah.
So I'll park down by the swimming area.
Oh, that bridge looks cool.
This is like. Remember we saw.
Oh, this now you can get close to where those sailboats we saw from the bridge. Oh, honey, this is a place that's going to photograph lovely.
And it's beautiful weather. This was a good idea.
Yeah, it's your idea.
And we'll have good.
Oh, and there's a pink, your signature pink Volkswagen. Interesting pink Volkswagen. One story there. So let's explore. This is a beach facing the Gulf of Mexico. Remember, the Atlantic Ocean is on the east, and the Gulf of Mexico is west. Small little island, very walkable. Generous picnic areas. Lush landscaping. So let's pan to see exactly what we have here. Early morning swimmers. I wonder if this is where she says we're going to be swimming. I see this is an enclosed swim area. It's hard to communicate just how beautiful the light is here. Take some pictures for the people back home. It's nice though. Here, videotape it. It was excellent sailing here too. Look at these people gearing up for a day on the water. Try to snorkel close to the beach today. And they're modern restrooms too, and places to change.
Oh, those are locked.
They gotta be kidding. Oh, there's a handicap slide. This is too cruel. bathrooms are locked. How can they do this? This is nice looking south. And this is a beautiful view from the southern portion of Bahia Honda. Gorgeous blue waters today. The sand. Look at the palm trees gently swaying. Gorgeous morning sun here. Mid-70 temperatures. This will be a great day in the 40 days.
Okay, Jim, put it as a picture with your selfie stick. I think this might
Both of us?
Yeah.
Amazing spot here today. Oh, this place is happening today too. Okay. Yeah, I gotta pay attention. Shouldn't be videoing and walking at the same time. High degree of technical difficulty. Oh, we're going high up. The railway met its demise in 1935. A bad hurricane destroyed it. Did you know there are 42 bridges that connect the Keys to Florida's mainland?
I think there's more. I think it maybe it said it used to be.
Sure.
Look how pretty the water.
Oh, it's amazing. I feel like we're in Hawaii or something. Morning.
Morning.
You know, I must be a city slicker. To me, it doesn't look that.
No, but
it looks calm to me.
yesterday it was black.
Okay.
Black. This is not that. But to be on that boat and the further out.
Yeah, but I was thinking like big waves. That makes it
No,
kind of
the
interesting.
further out
Okay,
you
sure.
go,
Mhm.
it starts to look. Even look at that boat coming in.
Oh, so you
You
think?
see how it's kind of bouncing?
So you think it's rough seas out there?
Yeah.
today?
Oh, it is.
Okay.
It's bouncing.
Just gorgeous here. See what?
Did you get the pictures of the coconut?
Oh, the coconut tree palm swaying are unbelievable here. I could look at those all day. That's what Florida's all about. Swaying coconut palm trees. Place is amazing. So a mystery is revealed. They don't let you walk on the already destroyed part of the bridge, the railroad bridge that used to take people south, but they have a newly constructed concrete bridge to give you a vantage point of Bahia Honda. And it is remarkable. Looks like different shades of green, blue. Water color changes based on the depth. That I love the light colors. Just gorgeous here. Magical place here. I hope you enjoy this video.
But I want you in it with me.
So it has some very active plant life here. They say botanists from all over the world since 1870 have come out to check out the plants here.
Oh, 'cause the birds walk up like this.
Oh, they bring seeds and stuff?
Yeah. That's why they did
So I'm going to check out the dive store and gift shop here. Allegedly, there's a snack bar too. Nice looking boats along the harbor here. I think a lot of people are ready for a big day at sea. And there's a well-equipped gift store too. There's a snack bar, gift store, and places to buy tours. Now we're going for a swim. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment.